Welcome everyone on another beautiful day out here on the Optimism cryptocurrency price prediction for January 2024, aiming to discover which is how we get started in our technicals at the most rational perspective. Now we can only speak about optimism when the market is actually having a bad time out there, losing some momentum, especially on the market cap. There is volume, it's $84 billion for the past 24 hours. It has increased, but the total market cap is down. And there's some of the altcoins out there that are losing big time, 10, 15, 20% out here, which is obviously not a great feeling. However, optimism is trying to keep optimistic, and it's running around on 6% increase in the past 24 hours. We're going to talk about it in a moment. Before we touch that, we would like to share with you my YouTube channel for those of you that would like to see more price predictions or live trading videos or presentations like that. I have basically quite a lot on my channel, especially a couple of days ago I posted this day trading video on the BTC, $240,000 pure profit on it. As well, you can see my YouTube shorts with many other trades and performances that I do. There's a live trade going on right now, $175,000 on the BTC on Bybit, and it's something that I would not complain. At the same time, we have basically the ability for people who join my journey of trading a done-for-you trading system without any upfront fees. It's just a commission based on performance. It's just a commission from pure profits achieved. Commission is paid by every 7 days, and we are trading outsourced. Very simple. As well, the one-on-one coaching program for anyone that is serious about this business and is considering as a great possibility for financial freedom. It's time to take you to the highest level possible, folks. Now, we're going to talk about those at the end. For the moment, we're looking at the daily candles on the optimism side, and it looks very optimistic in my perspective, especially after confirming on major demand area. It has followed its duty to accomplish a level we have expected as a market reaction on the $3 mark, which was pretty much amazing. The markets had a ton of volatility at the top, which was most likely indicated that they did want it to push higher, and they've been stopped basically by the market conditions generated on the BTC side, which obviously in the past couple of, let's say, 7 to 8 days, we had a lot of the volatility going around and uncertainty because of the ETF news. Now, what's happening right now basically is a great market reaction, and what we could expect out of this for January, it's just to break above the top as long as the BTC is going to allow us. How is it BTC going to allow us? By simply not dumping the markets. It can either range or increase the price action. It's great for us either way. It's just that cannot take the markets on a heavy scale with a massive liquidity and volume downwards. We don't need that, simply. Optimism will break the top in January if the market conditions are stable. I don't need BTC to be bullish. I just need it to be stable, and let us take this to the highest level possible, which is definitely feasible, guys. Now, on the other side, we have a very, very good reaction across the board between 2.272, 241.4, 2.618. Levels starting from $3 up to $3.4 are all filled up with major support, with major buying pressure, which has reacted a couple of days ago in a huge way of supporting the markets. So that's a place right now which we cannot lose. At the same time, it is good basically to form a market continuation once you have been bouncing from them. It's not like you're just bouncing away with 10-15% from them and then you're coming back and retesting them, as they're not going to resist at multiple retestings, especially if the market becomes bearish. We got to be careful at the end of the day. Now, we also have the entered volume weighted average price, the green line. You see it right there, right? So it's the green line appears to be right there. It's not the horizontal one, but most likely this one, which acts as a channel. It goes on like this, and it follows through. This is following the market, and we had a great reaction near to it, which is great. It's the entered volume weighted average price top line, and that is used to be considered as a great support, which is confirmed by the market reaction. Optimism right now might have a difficulty today, but tomorrow and the next days, especially during this week, it has to break the top. What does it mean breaking the top? It simply means naturally that the CRSI is going to find again a movement towards the top side, and we might form a divergence at some point, which is obviously not considered by me as an issue as long as you are clearly printing that pattern and following through the market conditions that are actually approachable. So I wouldn't be bordering around a divergence. What I would care about for January, once we break the top, will be the 4 on the Fibonacci extension, guys. 4.68 cents, around $5 as well, with the extension basically in the specialty of 4.236, which is extremely rare, and it's just unique right there around the $5. That would be the ultimate target. From this price point, the first one is at 32 cents, the second target will be at 39 cents. Those are the two targets that I'm considering for optimism towards the January side. Beautiful. That's where we are with the video, folks. That's pretty much all about it. Once again, if you'd like to be part of my trades and my journey, feel free to check out, reach out, all the links in the description area and in the comments area. At the same time, the one-on-one coaching. Well, for you to understand how does it work, there is a video explaining it. You can check out this video. As well, you can register now for more information, jump on board, find out more, and take this business seriously. It offers the possibility for financial freedom, so why not taking it? I mean, it is something that everyone is most likely hunting around. Enjoy yourself, guys. We'll talk to you soon.